Igbo go and invest in your land una no go gree. Dem go talk say Igbos build una home first before una carry all this plenty wealth wey una get go elsewhere. Una no go hear. Every time we go dey hear this kind story, how e dey take dey affect the Igbos pass. And this time na for Lagos State. Na always Lagos State and na always the Igbos e dey affect. But the truth be say, this thing na true say na only Igbos e dey affect.
Look at this vehicle. This vehicle is fully loaded with my properties. Look at this vehicle is fully loaded with my properties. It's moving out one after the other since Friday. Since Friday, they've been here loading my properties that is rebuilding, saying that the governor sent them. And the governor gave approval just to come here and vandalize the property 16 floors from beginning to end. They are looting it since Friday.
Now one businessman don come out dey cry say everything wey he don work for plenty years don disappear overnight. Wetin really happen? Make I gist una. My correct people, I welcome una back. This story is heavy. According to this businessman, years of hard work don allegedly scatter within just 3 nights. The investor claims say some people accompanied by persons they identify as police officers them forcefully enter one business building for Lagos. According to him, over 200 air conditioners, more than 100 televisions, industrial freezers, hotel equipment, conference chairs, musical instruments, electrical cables, them kitchen equipment, even newly installed lifts. People say everything disappear. The businessman estimates the value of the alleged losses at over 3 billion naira. Hey, now here another part will shock many Nigerians. According to him, the building don already receive official renovation permits. Although we never know the full story, we never know the full gist. But he don allege say all the items where they don't remove, they don't sell them as scrap. And according to this man, he talk say he no believe say the Lagos State governor or the commissioner of police go fit personally send these people. Say they no go dey aware of this thing wey these people they do, because these people they talk say na Lagos State governor and the commissioner of police they aware of wetin they do, and then they call on authorities, the necessary authorities, to investigate and establish the facts. If these allegations them they very true, then na something wey deserve serious investigation, because investor confidence no be something any economy fit joke with. Now, as expected, social media don dey explode though. One comment catch my eye. The person say there's no difference between what these people are doing and what South Africans are doing to fellow Africans. Another one they talk say Ndi Igbo will learn. In fact, we need to have a home base before thinking of going elsewhere. Another one talk say after the civil war, I thought my Igbo brethren would have learned. Don't have anything to do with properties in Andaman's land. Bring your wealth home. Another person writes, no place like home. Omo, the comments plenty. I don't even want to read them. But in a nutshell, fellow Igbos, they blame this man. Say he live in place, go they invest for Lagos. Because with how the man they talk, you go no say this man a Igbo man.
This is pure injustice. This is injustice. This is somebody's property. People are moving out from his building. Look at the vehicles. They're coming this night. He said the governor said you should come and pack this thing and sell my properties. This is pure injustice. This is pure injustice. This is injustice. The higher order. Where control? You say that the governor is aware that you are coming there to vandalize and pack all my properties. This is pure injustice. This is pure injustice. If this belongs to you and you're taking it like this, will you be happy? This is my property that people are moving and packing everything in my building, taking it, buying them, selling them. And you say that the commissioner of police sent you and the governor sent you. It's somebody's property. Eh? This is pure injustice. Oga, is this okay? Is this okay? Is this okay? Somebody's property. You people are parking my property. Is it okay? If it is your own, like is it okay?
You are here to.
You are protecting them to carry my things. Is it okay? But is this right? Are you not a human being?
The property.
Are you not the property? You people are vandalizing my property. Is it okay?
The CP said
He said the CP said you people should vandalize, carry all my properties away, and they are protecting them. He said the CP and the government sent you people to come and pack my properties. By this time of the night, it's Friday, you will be parking. Look at vehicles line up here. Are you people parking them? Parking them belong to me. Is it okay, Oga? Okay, if I'm here, and you are protecting them.
I don't know.
This is pure injustice.
I don't know.
This is pure injustice. This is wrong. This is wrong. No problem. No, they've asked people to stop. Now, what you're giving, you're protecting them now for them to pack all my things, to move, vandalize my property, and move out my property. Is that okay? And you said the CP, we are aware of it, and the government sent you, give you approval. Is that okay? Is that fine? Yes, you're from man's words.
I don't know what you're saying.
Your fellow man swears. What I come to work for in this Lagos, you people now came and be backing it up and you say the CP is aware. This is bad. Look at vehicle. Let her come. Look at vehicles. Look at vehicles and you people that's park vehicles here. I said you said that CP is aware of this and you said that governor sent you to come and vandalize the building. That I have an approval, I have a Lagos State government approval to renovate. You came here and barricade and packing my ACs, lifting my list, moving everything, and you say, look at all my properties. Eh? It's Friday, you put my vandalizing your property, and you say the CP is aware, and the governor sent you. This is bad, this is injustice. I'm sure that governor will not be aware of, the governor cannot send you to come and pack something. What does the governor need ACs, need lift, need my property for? No problem. Look at the vehicles. Look at vehicles. Look at this. These are things that I bought with my hard-earned money. These are things that I bought with my hard-earned money. If when I came, said the CP sent you and government sent you to come and vandalize and take everything away from by this time. What is the time now? Is this okay? This is pure injustice. Look at the vehicles that they park here. They want to empty that building this night. Look at. Okay, you are moving, Abby. You are taking it out, Abby. What's the plate number? This is the plate number of the vehicle. These are almost our fourth vehicle. No problem. You said the CP is aware that people are coming here to by this time of the round. Which government will allow you to come and work on Sunday? Which government will allow you to come and work on Sunday? On Saturday and Friday night, which government will allow you to pack a bookie and come here? Is there any of this from government? Is there any of this government from government? Are these people government officials? Are they government officials? These people don't have a approval from Lagos State government to renovate. If you want to see the building for any reason, does that also give you the right for you to now go to my property and start vandalizing, breaking everything that is building down from the 16th floor to the first floor, packing them and putting them in the bus, line up buses like this, taking them out from my building, and the CP gave you instruction. You have a task force, and Lagos State government is aware. The government giving approval, and Nigerian police is giving them protection. Are these boys here? Are they from Lagos State government? Are these boys here for Lagos? Are these advocates to do for Lagos State government? Open this thing. Open this thing. Open there. Where's the Oga? So you are giving them protection. I should not open it. You are giving them. I should read them. I should open it.
Go and meet Oga.
Who is your Oga?
Supo. Go and meet him.
Supo. Is this right? Is it right? Is it right? You are protecting them to carry my things out of my building.
My own business. I am here in the instruction that I should be here.
to protect them, to carry my things.
Carry your things, sir.
So they're carrying properties from here, but
To carry my things out yes, they give me instruction to go. The CP gave me instruction to come here and protect them, to be carrying my things away from the building.
My own is to protect the building.
So this is how you are protecting the building.
I don't know. I come and met
You don't know. You met them here.
met all these vehicles.
You met them carry. So you
I
have
didn't see anybody carry anything. Don't tell me that I got them carry something. Don't shout at me.
okay.
I'm telling you something.
Okay.
I came here and met all these vehicles here.
Since Friday. Since Friday.
You came here on Friday.
I came here on Friday. I'm coming here every day, and all the whole videos of the truck that have been carrying things here. This number does it belong to the Lagos government? This number. Is this the Lagos government number? That one is also moving. They're all disappearing.
How's the better one by one? But see them, they're all disappearing.
If you don't get the video already.
No problem.
That one, you know,
They put them banner above.
No problem.
They're all disappearing. God of police, they can't spoil.
No problem. Maybe I are running away, Abi. Police is protecting you guys to come and vandalize and take all my properties. Eh? He said the commissioner of police is aware and the governor gave you instruction. There is no how governor will give you instruction for you to come and take somebody's property.
And honestly, this no be the first time this kind conversation dey happen o. Una remember when they demolished Landmark Beach during the Lagos Coastal Highway project, abi? Many people raised similar question about investor confidence and where people should cite major investments. Now, this latest report don bring the discussion back again because plenty people now dey blame this man and so many other Igbos wey still dey build their businesses dey invest for places like Lagos and Abuja.
My name is Honora Ezokafo. I'm from Anambra State in Nigeria. Some videos were put up on social media by me, and I want to make clarification because a lot of people were asking what actually happened. So I just want to take out this time to explain what actually happened. You know, this is regarding the Mandilas property where some of the videos showed where people were looting properties that belong to the building that I own through my company, Area FM Radio Limited. Mandilas building was formerly belonging to Mandilas Group Limited. But sometime in 2020, the company wanted to sell the property and they offered it to the public. I picked an interest and I bid for the property, and we agreed, on the price of the property. But due to the fact that the property was it's a 17-story building, so the amount was also huge. I didn't even have the money then, so what I did was I seek for financing from Zenith Bank. So 2019, I wrote a letter for financing of the project of that property from Zenith Bank. That was Mr. Ebenezer, was the former GMD of Zenith Bank. So he approved that loan. No, but within a few time of the approval, when COVID came, so it became even more difficult for the bank to disburse that purchase, which also delayed a little bit. Eventually, the bank paid. 28th of August 2020, the bank paid for the property after I must have met up with my own requirement, which part of them was for me to provide my own equity contribution. And of course, I did. So the bank bought the property, and since then, from 2020 up until now, I have not had any. I never have or I'm having anything that has to do with title issues. The property in question, I have the title documents of the property. The moment the bank paid for the property, the Mandilas Group Limited transferred the title of that property to us in the name of Area FM Limited. It's a subsidiary of Adorabest International Limited. So since then, we've been enjoying peaceful occupation in the property without any interruption until sometime in 2024, to be precise, 21st of January, when a fire incident happened. In fact, fire engulfed the property. So after then, the Lagos State government, through one of the agencies, the Safety Commission, sealed the property, and everybody was meant to vacate the property. Of course, after the fire incident, the Lagos State Building Control Agency came, started demolition. The fire in question affected only the first floor, third floor, and maybe a few of the fourth floor thereabouts. And thank God to the Lagos State government firefighting agency that also helped out in putting out the fire. And also kudos to also the governor of the state who also made sure that everything was put into camp. However, the Lagos State Building Control came and started demolished part of the property and all that, after which the property was open to some kind of difficulty in putting it back to use again. of course, I have to sort for, from Lagos State government to also put it back in use, because don't forget that as at that time it was still on loan, so I have to also make it possible for the building to keep on paying, servicing the loan. All right. So I went to Lagos State Safety Commission. They said before they will be able to talk of that property, I have to go and do non-destructive test. Then they referred me to Lagos State Ministry of Material Testing, Anambra. So I went there. We wrote to the agency. This is the letter we wrote to the agency regarding for them to do the test on the building. This is the letter we wrote. Eventually, the agency received, acknowledged the letter, and they raised an assessment for us to pay, which is we also paid to Lagos State government. After which they carried out the integrity test on the property. After a few time, the test result was out. This is the integrity test report that came back from Lagos State Ministry of Material Testing and Laboratory, and these are the reports. Eventually, the final report of what it shows that the building is stable and the building doesn't have any issue. Look at it, so that we should go ahead and renovate. At that point, we went to Physical Planning Authority for us to apply for renovation permits for us to be able to to start development and also remodeling of the property. And they listed everything that we needed to do for us to go back to renovation. Part of them was for us to go and do our architectural drawing, which we also did. The structural drawing we did. We also structural drawing, MIE, all the whole drawing we completed it, and other requirements which we met. At the end of the day, the Lagos State government now, including the non-integrity test, which was even part of the major request from every agency that we went to, requested for this integrity test, which was part of the documents we submitted and the title document and all that. So eventually they issued us a certificate. This is the approval permit. They issued us a renovation permit dated 18th of August 2025. It's barely about 3 months back behind. So we tried to also go back to renovation of the property. Of course, it's also a setback to our business. So what we did was also request for another additional fund from the bank for us to renovate the property. We requested for funds from the bank to renovate the property. So, which in principle, the bank has actually approved the loan for us to renovate. However, on us now, to our greatest surprise, on Friday, we have security personnel on site. On Friday, I was at a TLS where I went to submit my renewal of my traveling visa because I'm supposed to be traveling for some business engagement. Some of my staff called me that there are members of the Lagos State agency, Lagos State Building Control, the task force of Lagos State, and the policemen. They were in the building trying to enter into the property, and they are insisting that they must open up the place. And I told them that, what are you people calling me for? If they want you to open, there's nothing we are hiding. We're not doing anything on the building up now. Open for them. Let them go. Let them go and check. Let them go and inspect. Maybe also they want to do inspection. And they brought the key. They opened for them. They went from ground floor to 17th floor. They went there and inspected everywhere and came back. But today, another surprising thing was that they now asked my boy not to come back to the building anymore. That they are going to take over the property. My boy, my Instagram handle is at Andorra Best. I all the whole of the all what happened, the video of people why they were telling my boy that they will break the gift if he fails to open it. It's there. If you go there, you will see them. They are posted some of the video. If you go to my handle, you will see that. You see them. So eventually, the boy was even telling me in the video that I'm only working. That my boss asked me to open and lock, and I'm working now, and left. They went up into the building, used hammer, broke all the whole doors. The second floor, the fire did not affect the second floor during that time, and that was where we had all the equipment we imported for the renovation, both our lift, we bought brand new lifts. The building had 3 lifts before the fire, and we bought 3 brand new lifts, the air condition system, the panel, a lot of things, everything. Even in this architectural plant here, we have about 72 rooms hotel that is planned to be on top of the building. Every equipment, both safe, both fridge, both ACs, everything that we bought part of that second floor as our where we have our storage was broken and taken away by the men of I don't know who they are anyway, because I was meant to believe that they were people from Lagos State Lagos State Building Control Agency. The vehicle they came to that day had the name written boldly written on their vehicle, Lagos State Building Control Agency, and the other vehicle was Task Force Mandilas Police. So because there was no information, they came in on Friday night evening where we could not be able to reach out to people or ask questions, and send all our security people away, send everybody away, take over the property.